welcome to Adwoa's amazing world. And today I'm here with Mr. Giraffe.
Hello, amazing people!
Do you know that it is possible to make colorful and healthy natural drinks without using artificial food dye? Yes, in today's video, we are going to prepare a colorful and healthy drink. I actually invented this recipe and I hope you will love it. All right, Mr. Giraffe, can you tell us the ingredients we're going to use today?
Yes, the ingredients are hibiscus flowers, spirulina powder, butterfly pea flowers, lemon, honey, and ginger.
Awesome.
First, we will cut the lemon in half and squeeze all the juice out of it into a container. Next, we will add 2 cups of water. Then we will peel the ginger, blend it, and add to the lemon juice and add a teaspoon of honey to taste. That will be our lemonade.
Hooray!
You can add more lemon and or ginger if you like. We will put the lemonade in the fridge. Then we will take 1 teaspoon of spirulina and add it to 8 tablespoons of water at room temperature. We will stir until the spirulina is completely dissolved and the mixture is uniform. We will set the mixture aside. No heating is needed.
Next, we will add 1 cup of water to 2 handfuls of hibiscus flowers. We will cook the mixture at medium heat for 10 minutes. Then we will strain the hibiscus flowers, pour the hibiscus juice in a bowl, and allow the juice to cool. Next, we will add 1 cup of water to 2 handfuls of butterfly pea flowers. We will cook the mixture at medium heat for 10 minutes. Then we will strain the butterfly pea flowers, pour the butterfly pea flower juice into a bowl, and allow the juice to cool. I recommend you watch one of our videos in which I shared with you how to prepare butterfly pea flower blue rice. In fact, that was so delicious.
Here is a photo of the different juices in bowls. We will pour the butterfly pea flower juice into 2 glass cups, the spirulina juice into 1 glass cup, and the hibiscus juice into another glass cup. We will go ahead and put a slice of lemon into one of the glass cups containing the butterfly pea juice. This will turn the color of the juice to purple.
That is amazing.
Now we have 4 cups, each with a different color. We will add 1 tablespoon of honey to the juice in each of the 4 glass cups. Then we will pour the colored juices into ice cube maker trays and then put them in the freezer.
And now look at how we have after some hours. We will put some of the colored ice cubes in a glass cup. Then we'll pour our lemonade on the ice cubes. Voila! Look at what we have. We have a colorful and healthy juice ready. Can you believe that this is all natural and is also equally healthy and colorful? All right, enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please do share this video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, always remember that you are amazing.